Have you ever paused to think about what your bank is actually doing with your money? Picture this. While your bank balance might be inching upwards, thanks to interest, the real value of your money could be on a slippery slope downwards. This is especially true in today's economy, where inflation is a relentless force, chipping away at the purchasing power of your hard-earned cash. Here at Cash Ops, we're diving into 6 savvy investment avenues that not only combat this erosion of wealth, but could also pave the way to creating lasting wealth that spans generations. Let's start with what I like to call the eternal trio: gold, silver, and platinum. These precious metals are not just shiny objects to marvel at, they're time-tested stores of value. Why, you ask? Unlike the paper currency in your wallet, which governments can print at will, these metals are finite. They stand as bastions of stability when the value of paper money wavers. Think about gold. Once upon a time, you could snag an ounce for a mere $400. Fast forward to now, that same ounce could cost you over $2,000. Experts are even projecting that we could see those figures quintuple by 2032. If you're ever wondering how to weave gold into your portfolio without needing a vault, consider gold ETFs. They're an accessible gateway to the benefits of gold, minus the hassle of physical storage. But it's not all about gold and its luminous cousins. Industrial commodities like cobalt, nickel, and copper are the unsung heroes of the investment world. Their value doesn't just stem from scarcity, but from their indispensable roles in industries. Take cobalt for an example, a superstar in the electric vehicle battery arena. Its price has witnessed a staggering surge, doubling in a decade. While hoarding cobalt bars in your basement isn't practical for most, you can still tap into this market through investments in mining company stocks or mining-focused mutual funds. Now let's shift gears to currencies, especially the kind that offers a safe haven during economic storms. The Swiss franc, for a prime example, known for its stability in tumultuous times. While not everyone can stash their wealth in Swiss bank accounts, currency ETFs and Forex trading platforms offer a slice of this stability, even if you're starting with just a $100 investment. Are you enjoying the dive into these investment strategies? If yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the Cash Ops family for more insightful content like this. Midway into our journey, we stumble upon sovereign guarantees. Ever notice the legal tender inscription on your dollar bills? It signifies the government's backing. In the investment world, this translates to government securities or GSECs, which are among the safest bets. They promise better yields than your savings account, backed by the nation's economic might. For U.S. citizens, Treasury securities are a direct line to this form of investment, offering a blend of safety and decent returns. Now on to the stock market, a realm that might seem daunting to many. Yet nestled within it are value stocks and mutual funds, the less volatile siblings of the high-yielding growth stocks. These are companies with solid fundamentals, often paying out steady dividends. They offer a more grounded investment route, with the potential for steady growth in income. For those less inclined to deep dive into individual stocks, dividend-focused mutual funds offer a collective of diversified approach to tapping into this market. Lastly, let's talk about land and real estate. Alongside the fascinating world of collectibles, land, by its very nature, is finite and perpetually in demand, making it an excellent hedge against inflation. Real estate, whether it's residential properties or commercial spaces, follows suit. And for those who think real estate is beyond their reach, REITs provide an accessible pathway to owning a piece of this asset class. Then there's the allure of collectibles, from vintage cars to rare art. While not the traditional route for the average investor, they represent a unique blend of passion and investment, with the potential for significant appreciation over time. However, the world of collectibles isn't just reserved for those with deep pockets or an antique garage. The digital age has democratized access to this market. Platforms like eBay and specialized online marketplaces allow enthusiast investors alike to trade in everything from vintage comic books to luxury watches and even rare sneakers. These items, while often starting as personal treasures, can grow in value, turning a hobby into a lucrative investment opportunity. But how do you ensure that your investment in collectibles, or any asset for that matter, stands the test of time? Research diversification and a keen eye are trends for key. For collectibles, understanding the history, rarity, and demand for an item can guide your decisions. Similarly with stocks, real estate, or commodities, a well-researched approach, coupled with diversification to spread risk, can help you build a resilient portfolio. Now let's circle back to the broader picture of investing. The landscape is vast, with myriad paths leading towards financial growth. Yet the journey is as much about safeguarding what you have as it is about expanding your wealth. This brings us to another critical piece of the puzzle: risk management. Understanding and managing risk is fundamental to successful investing. Whether it's choosing the right insurance for real estate investments or setting stop-loss orders for stock trades, protecting your investments is paramount. In this realm, knowledge is not just power, it's profit. Staying informed about global economic trends, from inflation rates to geopolitical events, can offer insights into how different asset classes might perform. It's also about knowing yourself, risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial goals. These personal factors should shape your investment strategy, guiding you towards the assets best suited to your needs and aspirations. Engagement in the community, both online and offline, can also enrich your investment journey. Forums, webinars, and local investment clubs offer avenues to share insights, learn from others' experiences, and even discover new investment opportunities. Remember, investing is not just a solo adventure, but a shared journey by fellow investors navigating the same waters. As we draw this exploration to a close, it's clear that the world beyond traditional banking is both complex and exhilarating. From the tangible allure of gold and real estate to the digital frontiers of currency, ETFs, and online collectible markets, opportunities abound. The key lies in choosing wisely, diversifying thoughtfully, and embracing both the risk and rewards that come with each investment. Before we part ways, a reminder to nurture your investments with the same care and curiosity that brought you here today. Keep learning, stay engaged, and let your portfolio reflect both your financial goals and your personal passions. And with that, we conclude our journey through the realms of investment beyond the bank. If you found value in our exploration, consider showing your support with a like, and subscribing to Cash Ops for more insights into building and preserving wealth. Together, let us navigate the vast and vibrant world of investments by unlocking the doors to financial freedom and generational wealth.